There are some extremely useful tools that you can use to help find these top trending meme coins when you come each and every single day to the computer in this crazy bull market. So not only do I use Dex Screener, and I'll be going over some specific filters that I use, I also use a number of other websites and tools. So let's deep dive into some of the tools that I am using when I trade meme coins. One thing that I want to bring to your attention before I jump straight into the video is I'm noticing that there are a lot of comments coming in on my videos, and they're basically completely going to hack your wallet. So right here, someone's actually posted the recovery phrase to a wallet. What you'll notice that if you put this in and actually log into the wallet using these phrases, that there'll be money into the wallet. But the thing is, there won't be any money to make a transaction to send that money out of the wallet. And what will happen is you'll send money into that wallet to actually create a transaction to send that money out. And what it will happen is you'll send the money in and the money will just basically instantly disappear. It's automatically set up, so any money sent in will then be just routed out back into a separate wallet. So you do need to be extremely careful. There are a lot of basically hacks, a lot of people talking about this XAI, blah, blah. So you do need to be careful. These are all bots basically posting, and even this one, please, how can I make a profitable investment? Then when you hit the replies, you'll see they'll be talking about a Telegram group or something here, Miss Maria, blah. So all of these are all fake. You just need to be up to date and know that a lot of these people are basically bots, so you just need to be careful. One of my favorite tools that I really like to use as soon as I wake up, instantly open up into the market. I know which coins are currently trending and I get this visual representation. This is Banter Bubbles. So right here I can see Ski Pepe up 42,000%, Doge Sun up nearly 40,000% as well, and I can track all of these specific coins. I can come to the today, or I can come to the hourly. I can change over to today and see which coins are trending the biggest today. So I can see right here, Joe is right here trending the biggest today, up nearly 1,000%. Some of these other coins up 100%, 100%, 50%. You can see in the last hour. So a lot of coins actually down in the last hour. Overall, see how they're overall trending. We can go by the month. We can go by the year. We can also go by the specific category or ecosystem. So I can go by Solana or Ethereum, or even go by different categories. So memes, or I like to look at gaming as well. I like to look at NFT marketplace. So we could look at gaming, or even AI. There was AI there as well. So artificial intelligence is always a good one to look at. See just this year. Let's go to today. So actually not too many trending today, just up a small percent. So just really good to know if there's any quick trending coins. If I do see a coin is down a decent amount, I will open them up and actually have a look. Okay, are they coming into a strong support zone? So I could potentially be looking for an entry even on the coins that are down on today. Another great tool that I love to use is Dextools. So on Dextools, come over to this left-hand side, click on Stats. Then at the top, change it over to Solana. Then here you select a specific exchange. So Radium's the biggest exchange, the decentralized exchange for Solana. So we'll click on that. And here we actually see all of the top trending coins for today. So we can actually open up their chart. Overall, see they're coming into a potential support zone. What's exactly happening with the overall pair? So we'll instantly change it over to market cap even before it loads. So I want to see the market cap. And we can scroll out. This is an hourly chart. So this is definitely a type of pattern that I'm always talking about. Once a coin does make this huge push to the upside, it's so expected to get a really strong push to the downside, because some of these traders are up tens of thousands to even hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars. They need to get out of their position. They want to exit out, look for the next play. So it's very much expected that you get a strong push, even a 1-2 type of pattern. The thing that you do want to see is then you come out and you begin to make this stair-stepping pattern where you're making high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high, even high, low. Now you push up and make a really strong high, high. What you will know is that this region will act as a support once it gets broken through, because initially, look, it's resistance. Every time price comes into this level, we're getting big sell-offs, even here, right before we got this strong push, we had a strong sell-off, came down, and then finally got the break above this region. So I already know once you get the break up, Where's the level that I'm going to look for support? It's going to be initially where it was resistance, now going to act as support. Perfect level to look for an entry, so around that $22 million market cap. And then right now we pushed up to nearly 100 million. Makes sense to actually get to that 100 million even right now. Potentially what you'd look for is a bit of a pullback. Potentially could come back in to retest some of this zone. Would make sense because the EMA will slightly tick up like this. Price will be able to come down, not only retest the average price, also retesting these old highs, initially resistance, flip to support, and then to actually look for a push to that 100 million market cap. So here we'd look for an entry around this 50 million, and then we could easily make a quick double, push up to this 100 million and get out. So we put something like 2 Solana times by 2, easy. We make quick 4 Solana, make basically quick $500. And we just look for the next trade. We continue to do this, compile our profits, even use 3 Solana for the next trade, look to bring it up to 6, and continue this type of trading style where we find these top trending coins and then look to buy on a pullback. So this is literally the first coin that I just opened up, and clearly a top trending coin for today. We can continue on. Even right here, very, very similar coin. Instantly change it over to market cap because I want to see the current market cap. Currently on the hourly chart, so I definitely like to go down to a shorter term time frame, but I always leave these longer term time frames, especially when the chart's been trading for a while, because I can then get the EMA and we can look for these super good entries. Once you get massive pushes above the EMA, here we got the breakout. Once you wait for an EMA touch, this is the first time you can get in. Right here, you're buying it around this $65 million market cap. And just already, you're up 40% in just 1 to 3 hours of trading. You're up 40, 50%. And again, you just continue to look for those strong pushes. Even here, we're probably at that 100 million. So I would look to be getting out of at least a good amount of my initial position. Because if we do have a pullback, where would I expect the pullback to come? Probably somewhere in this region right through here, because initially we did have some type of resistance, basically failing to get out of these levels until we finally got this big breakout. So if we did have price actually coming down, it would make sense to come down into this region. Not only that, we could use the Fibonacci retracement, come to the bottom, come to the top. Actually, look, 50% would be 65 million. Around this 50% level would be 65 million, but I think it'd go deeper than that. So somewhere between this 618 and 786 is where this $50 million market cap range is. Also would hit this old liquidity zone. That's where I'd then look for entries, because we've already hit that $100 million market cap. It actually makes sense that we would downturn, make a bit of a retracement. So we can continue on with even more coins. Again, when we actually scroll out, let's look at a longer term time frame like the 4 hour, where you really see these strong stair-stepping patterns. So you'd see really strong pushes to the upside. Makes sense that you're going to get some decent sales as people are up hundreds of thousands of dollars. Even change it over to market cap so we can see it even better. Then you get this second strong swing. Once you break well above this old high, this now becomes your stop loss level. So whenever you're taking a trade anywhere in this region right here, your stop level always has to go right here, because that is the old previous swing. And very similar, once you get a breakout above this high, once you get this breakout right here, your stop level now brings up to this level, because this is where the last swing low was before we push to a new high. So if you're actually bought in, look for a trade, say in this region right here, you instantly know this is where your stop is. Say you're holding, you see this strong move to the upside, you actually stay in, maybe even buy more because you see a retracement to the exponential moving average. Then you see this big breakout to the upside and you're still holding. Well, your stop level now gets raised all the way up to here once you see this breakout to the upside. And even just to slightly backtrack, if you were to take a trade in this region, where would your stop be? It would still have to be down in this region, because this is where the last swing low is. Makes a lot of sense. And you do need to set up your entire account so that you're not risking too much on any single trade, because that's why you'll see a lot of people blowing up, not be able to come back tomorrow to trade these meme coins because they haven't set up their specific risk to reward parameters. If you want to learn even more about trading, I'm currently running a Christmas sale where the next 5 people get a massive 60% off my Memecoin mastery, and the next 3 people get a massive 65% off my advanced trading course. only available to the next people that sign up. You learn so much about meme coins, trading. I go over all of my specific trading strategies, and you'll be able to watch the videos directly here on my website. Don't forget that when you're trading meme coins, to use TradeWiz bot, you get a massive 10% off all of your meme coin trading fees, and you get free access to copy trading and their smart wallet features. So there we go. I've explained my meme coin trading process in depth. Plus, I've shown you exactly how I find these top trending coins each and every single day. If you have enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe because it supports the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.